phone bi
omufra mehunsa omamum payim
so hu se omampan phone bi
omufra montuma tentene mu
omufra omontuma tentene mu omawu
ina besie funu
info efan 5 wo nya besie fu ndc besie bi npp so besie bi
amanyofo mpanyimfo a omodi amanyo nanim besie funu afi we ya monsre ma wo bafo mehunsa omamum payim
so hu se omampan phone bi
omufra montuma tentene mu
mu omawu
ina besie funu
info efan 5 wo nya besie fu ndc besie bi npp so besie bi
amanyofo mpanyimfo a omodi amanyo nanim besie funu afi we ya monsre ma wo bafo also musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina wuwo omon paye
also
musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina wuwo omon paye
also
musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina
wuwo omon paye also
musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina
wuwo omon paye also
musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina
wuwo omon paye also
musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina
wuwo omon paye also
musa rupreba
miensa de atiegu fom paye mumma
nipa ni nyina
wuwo omon paye also
musa rupreba
miensa de
Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program. And guess who was supposed to be there? President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama. But we know that he couldn't make it because he had to attend to other events at the capital. And then the Lands and Natural Resources Minister. But we do also understand that some sector ministers who are related to the fight against illegal mining will also be able to be there and speak to it. It's unclear as of now the civilians who were on board this aircraft that the Ghana Army says is missing.
Indeed, and one of the things we'll do for you, I've confirmed at least the 6 things we know if you're just joining us as far as this breaking story is concerned. We'll be going to the Jubilee House very shortly. Mark Solababa is our presidential correspondent, and he will join us with a few additional details. One of the things that he told me and yourself before we came on air, because we're running around trying to figure out what's happening, is that the president had to cancel.
Yeah, an event in the central region.
Exactly. The president has cancelled a lot of his activities. In fact, all his activities have been cancelled for today. And we want to understand why. Secondly, we know that there's going to be a news conference pretty shortly. An emergency press conference is going to be happening pretty shortly. Again, that will give us a bit more detail as to what is happening. But you can see on your screens there the smouldering flames of what appears to be a crash of this helicopter in question. There are a few things we don't know.
Right.
Okay. First of all, this helicopter that went off radar, that the Ghana Armed Forces is confirming, is it the same as what we've seen the videos of? That's one thing. Second point that of course we don't know, the regional minister who chairs the Regional Security Council of the Ashanti region confirmed there was an emergency. And so he abruptly left this event and headed to try and deal with it. And that is understandable, because once it's happening in the Ashanti region, and he is the security chair, the regional security chair, such a major security incident, he would have to immediately chair the security operation to try and get it under control, right? The first thing he would have done was to say rescue,
of course,
right? If the plane has gone off, the helicopter has gone off the radar, the Ghana Armed Forces confirming they cannot track it on the radar. What has happened to it? They need to establish that first, and that is somebody who would be dealing with that. That's the regional minister who chairs the Regional Security Council. The third thing they will need to do is mobilize first respondents, ambulance, the military itself.
We need to prepare me and Sandia. Atiegu from
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia. Atiagu from.
Payi mumma.
Payi mumma.
And the panning in a woo.
Penning in a woo.
Omon Paye.
Omon paye. Also so.
Musa look prepare me and
So Musa who prepare me and Sandia.